Okay, we're going to learn about Excel's Track Changes feature here. I'll go up to Tools, down to Share Workbook, and click on Allow Changes by more than one user at a time. So we're sharing our workbook to be used by more than one user at any given time. I'll go ahead and set some options here. I want to keep the change history, so whatever's done to my spreadsheet, I'll know for the past 30 days. Update the changes when the file is saved, and the changes being saved when. I'll go ahead and select that option. All right, so going back to the editing tab, let me go ahead and hit OK. This action will now save the workbook. That's fine. I'll hit OK. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just change some numbers here. All right, I'm just going to make some changes. Changing around our numbers, 2005 numbers, 2006 numbers, just projections basically. And I'll go ahead and save my changes. You can see up here at the top of the screen it says shared now, indicating that our document, or rather our spreadsheet, is in fact shared. All right, so we've made a couple of changes. Now I'm going to use the Track Changes feature. Highlight changes. All right, so I want to know all the changes that have gone through, or that have been made since the last time I saved, or the last time rather I checked the changes. So uncheck all of these, click on List Changes on a new sheet, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And notice what happens. The history spreadsheet shows up, and it shows all the changes that have been made. And you can see that only 2 changes have been made. Okay, they were all by me. They were cell changes, so if I scroll over to the right here, you can see that the new value and the old value. And that's what Track Changes is all about. We can see who made the change, when they made it, and what they did. Watch as I click Save here. The history spreadsheet will disappear in the very first sheet. In addition, I can go up to Tools, Track Changes, Highlight Changes, or rather accept or reject changes. And of all the changes not yet reviewed, I can either accept them. This is the first change I made. I can hit Accept, or I can reject that change. So if someone else is using my spreadsheet and I'm the owner, I'm the creator of it, notice that I accepted this change here, but I rejected this change here. All right, and that's what Track Changes is all about.